National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Carter County in southern Oklahoma, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Grady, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source.
Radar indicated location. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Henley, Wilson, Ringling, Grady, and Cornish.
Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.